If you're in the habit of dishing up your plate at the dinner table, you may want to consider making food a little less accessible during meals. Instead of serving the food at the table, try leaving the food at the stove or placing it on the kitchen counter. When food is sitting all over the dining table, it's much easier to overindulge. As soon as your plate is clean, there's more food nearby to fill it again. But when you keep food away from the table, it takes additional action to go for seconds. There may be times when you need to have more food because of true physical hunger. There's no law about having a second helping. However, when you have to get up from the table to get it, you'll have a little more time to think about it and make sure you really need it. This is just one way to break up old habits of automatically filling up your plate as soon as it's empty. If you've had a long tradition of serving food from the table, this can be a habit that takes some getting used to. However, you'll find that your diet plan becomes easier as you become more mindful about your eating habits. Getting up to go get food from another location simply helps you to be more conscious about what it is you're eating. After eating your first helping of a meal, take a few minutes to think about how you're feeling. It takes your brain a little more time than you may realize to get the signal from your stomach that your body is no longer hungry. If you make it a habit to wait about 15 minutes after your last bite before you go to get a second portion, you may find that you're eating quite a bit less than you used to eat. Life is so busy and on the go that we sometimes forget to stop and actually enjoy a meal and feel hunger cues. Moving the serving dishes to another room helps you to slow down and actually listen to your body. Instead of eating more food, because it's there, you'll make a wise decision about whether or not you really need another portion. When you do go for a second helping, try to focus most of your attention on vegetables. These are low-calorie foods that provide a lot of nutrition. They also help you to feel full as they take up a lot of space in your digestive tract. While it may seem strange at first, serving your food from the kitchen or another location will become easy after a short amount of time. Just like many other parts of your new diet plan, it will take some practice. What if you could quickly flatten your belly and burn 1 pound of belly fat every single day by making a simple red tea detox drink? Click the link below this video to discover the amazing red tea detox recipe, redteadetox.co.education.